Very successful? Yes. Yes, you did. Yes, you had a very good diaper change there. And then you had a bath. Yeah, that was good. That bath was very nice. Yeah. Yeah, Daddy. Daddy thinks you had a good time. What do you think? Yes. Oh, yes. Yes. How was it, Emma? How was it? Oh. Oh. Yes. I hear a little hunger there. A little bit of wanting a bit of milk. Is that part of it? That's what you're trying to say? Baby has strong legs too. Baby has very strong legs. She was almost pushing Papa over. She was pushing Papa all the way, almost all the way over. He might have fell down because of Baby. What do you think, Emma? Yes, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Oh, it was that good? Yes. Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes. Did you like your bath? Was the water temperature right? Was the water temperature right, Emma? Did you have a good bath? You don't have any rubber duck or any toys yet, though. Yes. Yeah, that wasn't good. We'll give you a little baby massage. Yeah, a little baby massage. Rub-a-dub-dub. Yeah, rub-a-dub-dub.